everybody, welcome back to Mr. Richard's Journal. Today we're going to take a look at paper chromatography. What I have here is I have 5 strips of paper that we're going to use, and I have 5 different colored blue markers. So let's take a look at how we're going to do this and see the results. Let's get started.
Let's take a look at some important vocabulary for this activity. Paper chromatography is the separating of solutions by using the different rates of solubility. Solubility is the ability of one substance to dissolve in another substance. The solute is a substance that gets dissolved. For example, salt is a solute and that dissolves in water. The solvent is a substance that does the dissolving. The solvent dissolves in the solute. For example, sugar dissolves in water. Water is a solvent.
Okay, what I'm doing is I'm putting a circle of blue ink on each of these lines. All these lines are equal, at equal heights, and then that will show us how far the ink travels, and we're going to let it travel for 30 minutes. Okay, we're putting the paper strips in just so the bottom touches the water. Now let's watch over time. Alright, welcome back. It's been about 1/2 of an hour. It's been about 30 minutes. And let's take a look at what our results are. And here you can see on the far right, that one traveled the most. And what I think is interesting there, you can see that there's a mixture of different colors. That was blue, and now you can see that there's some blue and some purple in there, maybe a little bit of pink. The one next to it traveled almost as far again. This one has more of a showing of pink in there. The one in the middle looks like it's pure blue. The one next to that looks very, very similar to the second one from the right. And the one furthest on the left didn't move at all. Think about that. Why did that happen? Why didn't it move at all? Now, this is called paper chromatography. What's neat about this is you can use this to compare an unknown sample of ink. And let's say you have 4 different colors of ink. It could have been one of those 4 different pens. If we use paper chromatography, we'd be able to identify which ink the unknown writing came from. All right, let's say next time we'll take a look at paper chromatography using a disc. See ya.